In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front grille on your Ford Explorer, located right in the front of your vehicle. Once you have your hood open, I'm going to go ahead and grab this little panel, flip that over, and you're going to locate two 7mm screws. Loosen and remove those. In order to pull out our corner light here, there's going to be 3 posts that need to pop out of their plastic retaining clips. So you can start by grabbing the side here and trying to pull this out. And if that gives you some challenges here trying to get that out, you can use a trim tool on the top here and assist on prying on this here while you're pulling on the outside of the light. We're using the trim tool so it doesn't scratch the paint or mark anything up. On the back side, I want to go ahead and pull this out. We're going to twist the bulb units counterclockwise. Go ahead and remove all of your bulbs. Remove this screw right here. It's your 7mm. Once you get this out, go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side. Use a 10mm socket to go ahead and remove these 4 bolts up top here. One on the top here, there's going to be 2 plastic push buttons or locks. There's one here, one on the driver's side here. Use your trim tool, go ahead and pop those out. Pull up that panel, go ahead and set that aside. Remove the 4 screws along the top of the grille using your 7mm socket. Go ahead and grab your grille. Start pulling that forward. You got to remove that from the vehicle. On the back side of your grille is going to be 4 Phillips head screws. This is securing your brow molding onto the grille. Use your Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove these here. When you remove this last screw, you want to hold on to that brow molding. You flip your grille over. I'm going to repeat the same for the other side. Once you have that off, the center section of your grille is all set. Let's go ahead and pull that emblem off. Now on the back side of your grille here, there's 2 posts. There are normally 2 10mm nuts securing the Ford emblem to the front of the grille. In our case here, this grille has been replaced and our emblem has been glued to the front of our grille, so we don't have any nuts here, nor can we remove it. But once you remove those 2 nuts, this emblem would pop right out, and then you would just install this on your new grille. Take your brow molding. I want to go ahead and line this up. I'm going to get one screw started here and then one screw started on the other side. Go ahead and run those screws down and in, install the other two, and we'll tighten them all down. Once these are all snugged down, go ahead and repeat for the other side. Once these screws bottom out, you just want to snug them a little bit more. You don't want to crack the plastic. You're all set. Go ahead and install your grill. Pull your marker lights through. Now, installing the grill, there's going to be your little clips on the bottom here, and there's also going to be a guide pin over here that comes through the grill right here. So push that in. Make sure the grill is pushed in over here. So once those two pieces are in, let's go ahead and repeat for the driver's side. Let's install our 4 screws across the top of the grill. I'm just going to get these started. I'm not going to tighten them all down yet. I want to get all 4 started before we come back and snug those into place. With all 4 of these in place, we can now go ahead and snug those down. Install the outer screws here. Snug that in. Install the upper cover. Go ahead and install your plastic push pins. Once those are in, install your 4 10mm bolts across the top. Once these are all in, we'll go ahead and snug them down. We'll go ahead and lift up on this flap. This is going to give us access to the back side of our headlight to one of the posts we need to disconnect. Go ahead and line that up. Twist that clockwise until it stops. And then reinstall. You want to make sure that these little tabs here line up properly. Insert, twist clockwise, lock it in, press it in. Get that lined up, turn it clockwise to lock it in. Now we're going to install the light. Now on the back side, you're going to have 3 of these metal pins here that pop into holes in the header panel itself. So when you line this up, while you're inserting this here, you're going to look at the tabs on the top and make sure that those line up on the top of the header panel as well. Once these are lined up and your light is lined up with your headlamp, you go ahead and install the 2 screws. Now you're just securing the plastic, just gently snug those down. You don't want to make them super tight. Do the same here. And go ahead and repeat for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.